Yo, what is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Joe Fit Johnson, back at it again, bringing y'all some fire content. So today we got some content that's a little bit different. We're going to be doing that review I told you about on the last video. So I got this mic off Amazon. Shout out to my guy Surf. He recommended AKG. And the one that he recommended was a bit different, but then as I looked up that mic, I saw that this mic was on sale for 60% off. So this mic is only 60 bucks. So I wanted to test the sound quality with y'all. I checked out the reviews, really great reviews. It's a condenser mic, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna give y'all a sound test as well as kind of like the functionality. It is USB, so it does plug right into the computer or whatever else device you're using. It doesn't require one of those like professional ass. As I was saying, this is a condenser mic, man. It has the USB jack, so it makes it easy to plug right into the phone. Right into the computer. It is a professional grade mic. And I was told that my sound quality could be better. And I'm not a person, even though I was a bit salty because I do use the DJI, which is a $300 wireless mic, which I think the sound quality is good. It doesn't sound like the professional ass, podcast ass mic. So I'm somebody who takes constructive criticism. I'm never too good to take constructive criticism. I know the difference between hating and constructive criticism, and there's always room for growth. And when I saw this deal, my guy Surf posted a video and he was doing like a reaction to like basketball. His audio sounded crispy as hell. I'm like, hold up, bro, what mic is that? And he told me, I'm gonna put the name of the mic that he suggested up there so y'all can check that out. But this mic was well, it was actually the same price originally, but it's 60% off. Like I said, this mic is 60 bucks. And it's kind of cool. It gives me old school vibes. This is fine. No kizzy. Hold up. How we work it? Okay, so it has the same plug as like the iPad, the MacBook. It has that type of, I don't know what this is. This like the new USB-C. And then it also has this little thing. I don't know what this is. Now, why would y'all do that? And it also has this little thing. I'm not exactly sure. I'm guessing that's for like the professional ninjas. Right up in here. You plug that bad boy right up in here. Is that the power? Ooh, that's the power too. Front. So you got front and back on here. So it's a podcast. So you can put it so it's just the front. Or you can make it, if you're interviewing someone, the front and back. You do have to be kind of close, so it's kind of sus. Pause. Like, I'm not about to podcast somebody face to face like this. Like, bro, you need your own mic. So I'll likely get a second one of these for when I podcast with people. But I'm about to just record a quick sample just off of the voice memos. I'm not sure, I'm sure like, there's better software to use, but yo. I don't think it's picked up to this. I think I gotta look at the settings. Hold up. System preferences, sound, AKG, USB, yo, output, yo. So I'm gonna turn it down. Yo. Turn it up. Yo. I mean, I can be pretty far. Yo. As long as the input is kind of high. I really wonder what this sounds like. My camera's finna die, but this is the sound test. I'm gonna make a couple more videos. I gotta go quick, but I'm gonna continue this. Okay. Yo. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys. Let me turn it down. So on the back of this knob here, I can literally turn down the amount that it's intaking. So I'm gonna put it to a perfect amount. I think this is gonna be perfect. You can also, so on the back here we have microphone pattern, microphone gain. Yo. And then it has, on this side, it has front and back, tight stereo, wide stereo. So I don't know. I'm not sure what's considered front and back. It looks like it's picking it up the same on both sides. Yo. This is the back. This is the front. Okay, this is the front. But I can also put on front and back. And I can also mute it. Mute. Microphone pattern. Microphone gain. So I also want to test out turning this all the way up. Yo. So this is all the way up. Long distance. Yo. What is good? It is your boy, Joe Fit Johnson, back at it again, bringing y'all some fire content. Well, let's at least face it towards me. So let's say it's over here. That's not realistic. Let's just say it's over here. Yo. This is it turned all the way up, but at a longer distance, just to see how the sound quality sounds. Up. All right, y'all get the vibes. So yeah, I think that this mic is going to be a game changer. I don't know how to change it from front to back, tight stereo, wide stereo here in the front. But yeah, this is a quick, simple video. Looking forward to using this mic. I'm not sure I'm going to have to necessarily buy two, because I think if I turn on front and back, turn the volume gain all the way up, if I'm doing a podcast, we can both be fine off of this one mic. But since it's on sale for only $66, I might just have to get a second one so I can really do this podcast shit and take it to the next level. You feel me? All my interview guests can really have that sound. So yeah, I hope y'all like this content. Make sure y'all hit the like, hit the subscribe. Keep rocking with your boy. Whole lot of gang.